pointer primitive is a 2D object. So again, I'm in my built-ins and my primitives tab. Pointer, kind of like the arrow, except it has a third point here. So if I'm in my pointer editor, first thing I have again is the use LOD, which I can turn on or off. The point 1x set to 100 by default. If I increase that or decrease that, will move the center point of the pointer. Point 1y will increase, decrease that center point of the pointer. Point 2x will move the right point or the right arrow left or right. Point 2y will move that right arrow up or down. And the width here will increase or decrease the center width of the line. There's a cap style begin. By default, the begin is set to circle. We can also change that to flat or arrow, so we can have a double-sided pointer. Cap style end, set to arrow by default, but we can change that to circle or flat as well. If you have your arrows selected on your cap styles, then we have an option for arrow length, and if you have them both turned on and adjust the arrow length, it will increase the length of both arrows. Same for the arrow width. If we increase or decrease the width, it will increase the arrow width. If we have a circle selected in our cap style begin and end, we have a circle radius adjustment here that we can increase. There's also a circle segments, so we can increase or decrease that. There's also a joint style, which is set to round by default. We can also change it to miter.